In Power BI, filters are used to refine and control data displayed in reports. Now in this report, we have this one visual where we are showing some of sales based on subcategories. Now, when we apply filter, there are three types of filters. When we click on this, you can see filter on this visual, filter on this page, and filter on all pages. So if we want to filter just this page only, so we'll drag, let's suppose we want to filter based on cities. So when we drag this filter on this visual only, so when we click on this, it will filter only this visual and nothing will be affected on other visuals. Like if we create one more visual like this, so now we have two visuals. On this one, we'll apply this filter, but it will not affect the other visual. Right? Now, if we apply this filter on this page, on entire page, so it will affect both the visuals. Now, if we have multiple pages in our report, let's say we have 2 pages, and now we'll apply filter on all pages, then it will filter all of the report pages. Yeah, so this is filters from the filters pane. Thank you.